Have you ever wondered what would happen if you committed to doing yoga every single day for 30 days? Not for hours, just 20 minutes a day. No extreme poses, no pressure, just consistent movement, breath, and presence. Let's explore the physical, mental, and emotional transformation that unfolds in just 1 month of daily yoga practice. First week, awakening the body. In the first few days, most people feel sore, not from strain but from waking up muscles that have been forgotten. Even simple poses like downward dog, child's pose, or cat-cow can reveal tightness in the back, hamstrings, hips, and shoulders. But something else happens too. You start to breathe differently. In yoga, breath is movement. With each conscious inhale and exhale, your nervous system begins to shift from stress and reactivity to calm and presence. Second week, building strength and flexibility. By day 10 to 14, the body starts adapting. Movements become smoother. Muscles begin to strengthen, especially the core, back, and legs. You might notice better posture, reduced joint stiffness, and increased energy, especially in the mornings. Your flexibility improves too, but more importantly, your awareness deepens. You begin noticing how you hold tension. You start releasing it, not just on the mat, but throughout your day. This is when yoga becomes more than exercise. It becomes practice. Third week, the mental shift. Around the third week, most people begin to feel a shift in their mindset. You may feel less reactive to stress, more focused and emotionally balanced, more connected to your breath and your body. Even 5 minutes of conscious breathwork or gentle flow becomes powerful. It's not about doing more. It's about being fully present with less. You may start craving this time, not out of discipline, but because it begins to feel like coming home. Fourth week, deeper integration. By day 25 or 30, yoga becomes more than a habit. It becomes a part of who you are. Physically, you feel stronger, lighter, and more open. Mentally, you're more centered. Emotionally, you've created a space between stimulus and response, and in that space, you find peace. People who complete 30 days of yoga often report better sleep, improved digestion, a calmer heart rate, and a more positive outlook on life. They also become more mindful of the mat, in the way they eat, speak, and make decisions. Why it works. Yoga isn't just movement, it's a neurological reset. Studies show that consistent yoga reduces cortisol levels, improves heart rate variability, enhances serotonin and dopamine activity, strengthens mind-body awareness, and rewires the brain toward calm, focus, and compassion. So, what happens when you do yoga every day for 30 days? Your body changes. Your mind changes, your life changes, and it all starts with a mat, a breath, and a choice. Not to push yourself, but to come back to yourself.